Hi, my name is Brayden Milner, and I'm a Southwest Florida Realtor with Florida Future Realty. Born and raised in Cape Coral, Florida, I have spent my entire life in Southwest Florida and have an immense knowledge of the Lee County area. I am excited to be able to assist and navigate you through the complex real estate market. With my extensive knowledge of the local market, I am well equipped to guide you in the home buying or selling process. As a member of the Florida Future Realty family, I carry the values of hard work, integrity, and outstanding customer service into everything I do. Before starting my real estate career, I led an e-commerce business for over 2 years, making me an expert at internet marketing. When I'm not assisting my customers with their real estate needs, I'm in the gym training for my mixed martial arts career or spending time with my family and friends. As a mixed martial artist, I understand the importance of determination, perseverance, and the ability to fight for what you want. As your realtor, I bring the same fighting spirit to the table, ensuring your best interests are protected at all times. I am passionate about both real estate and martial arts, and I am dedicated to bring the same level of determination and perseverance to both my professional pursuits. I would be honored to have the opportunity to work with you and assist you in achieving your real estate goals. To reach me directly, send me a call or text at 239-634-8639. I can also be reached by email at contact@braydenmilner.com. I look forward to speaking with you shortly.